In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and compassionate, the King of the King, creator of all creatures, and who know all about their inhuman heart. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, and dear audience, good evening and Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to pay my special thanks for the management of Nikon for having to be such a wonderful gathering. Today is a day of great pleasure for me. I am humbled that Nikon management selected me for speech on Iqbal Shaheen. My lord, Allama Muhammad Iqbal was a great thinker, philosopher, scholar, and the great poet of his who raised the Muslims of subcontinents from the darkness of life to the height of success through his poetry. My lord, Allama Muhammad Iqbal frequently used the attributes of Shaheen to draw analogies for the youth of his nations. My lords, Iqbal Shaheen stands for courage, self-respect, confidence, devotion, dedication, and purity of souls. My lord, Shaheen is born with foresight, who has visions to see beyond the sacrificial events. My lord, Shaheen is the most fearless of all bird species, who flies at high altitudes and doesn't gather food like sparrows and crows. Allama Muhammad Iqbal said, "Tunde baade mukhalif se na घबरा ए उकाब, तुंदे बादे मुखालिफ से ना घबरा ए उकाब, ये तो चलती है तुझे ऊंचा उड़ाने के लिए. Oh falcon, don't be scared of headwind, they just below to keep your flying up." My lord, Iqbal Shaheen seeks solitude. Shaheen seeks solitude. It is not a social bird like sparrows and gulls who live in the form of crows. Solitude is a key part of self-respect and self-confidence. My lord, Shaheen doesn't make homes or stick to stations. It just flies, lives, eat and breeds. नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, तू शाही है बसेरा कार पहाड़ों की चट्टानों में. थैंक यू.